Hello and welcome back to yet another video on Rain. We have 1000 in the balance, we have a weekly 500 coin race. Let's jump into the battles. 2v2, what are we going to do? 5%, let's go 5% rifle and let's do 3v3 actually. 90 coins from the beginning. If we lose all of these battles, that's gonna be fucking sad, bro. We are gonna wager like 1k and we're gonna get like 0 coins. That would be so fucking sad. There's like approximately 45% chance for each side to hit something because 555 times 5, you know, 15, 15, 15. Oh shit, if they hit the double rifle there, I would be kind of cooked. I am cooked anyway. 5% rifle, come on. Get us a hit. We want the golden coin. I don't care if both sides get the golden coin as long as we get at least one. Just give me some adrenaline, man. Just give me a little bit. I want to feel something. Yes! Let's fucking go. Fucking send it, bro. Don't be an AK. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Should we wait for more people actually? Okay, there we go. Call bots for the 2 last spots. 5% rifle, bro. We have to hit something. Trust in this bot right here. There will be a coin. There is like absolutely no doubt. Just look at this slide right here. Fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Okay, I'm gonna hit this last one. I'm sure. Fuck. 18 coins. Let's run one more of these. If this shit doesn't pay, I will have to run another battle, and we will not run 5%ers only. We might add some 10%ers, maybe some other case. Be an AK, be an AK, be an AK, be an AK, please be an AK. AK Jaguar shit coming in. There's no fucking way, bro. 1.1k. We can beat them. We can still beat them. Look, golden coin. What the fuck? AK coming in. We're gonna get a double coin afterwards. Fuck, bro. Shit. Let's get a double hit, yeah? Double coin hit. Fuck this. Fuck this. Let's join this. That's the shared mode, right? 4-way shared mode. These cases, I have no idea what they've added, but it's probably something really fucking good. Let's drop some clovers over this. Let it be a knife. That's good though, right? What the fuck? 133 for a wildfire. Fucking huge. This is good as well, I think. Fuck yeah. 24. Let's go. 20 coin, come on. These are probably decent. No 5 coiners. Come on. Nah. That's some bullshit, man. Yeah, this is definitely a golden coin incoming. Yes! Let's fucking go. Rainbow 17 carrying. Trust. Gloves incoming. AK blow sport, we take it. It's fine. 255 for an AK, what the fuck? That's really nice. 37 for this fucking ugly ass SSG. No, SG. Fans. Let's see the last one. Splatter. Give us a golden coin. Now that's a good one though. Paid 143. We lost 97 on that shit. We are soon broke, bro. We can't afford this kind of battles. We have 442 left. If we win 58 coins, we will be at exactly 500 coins. It's something crazy insane, bro. Knife, maybe. Nice. Good start. 166. Fuck. This pig case is definitely gonna give us one of the golden coins. No. Shit. Let's get us something nice. Come on, switch over. Nah, that's really sad. Come on, spicy. Give us something spicy. What about the golden coin here? This one is what? Yeah, these ones are good, and this as well. Not like extremely good. Yes, man, golden coin. Let's fucking send it. Oh my fucking god, bro. Karambit? Ah, shit. This is cheap. 366, we take it though. This is good and this is decent, yeah. 192, let's run it back one more time. Two people has joined maybe a full battle with only real people. Yes, there we go. Let's go. No golden coin on the rage quit. Nice! We're hitting on Blaze, bro. Come on, get us a good knife. That's good as well, right? 53, that's fucking dog shit. This is dog shit as well. Fucking big case. Jingle. Dog shit case as well. 38, okay, that paid something. Stop. Yes, man, so many golden coins after each other. Fuck yeah. Oh, the Yermangonder would be so good, bro. Golden coin incoming. Shit. Shit. Come on. That did not go very well. Are we gonna rip this whole battle or what? Yep. That went a dog shit. Go back. Sell items. 268. We have only 207 if we lose. Come on, man. We are starting with 3 5% rifles. Come on, last 5% rifle. No one hit on the rifle case. What about the 10%ers? We both hit an AK. 81 coins, we take it. Oh shit, bro, they hit a golden coin, but it's fine. It's not the most expensive case. But still, they could hit like a Talon or a Huntsman. That's fine, stop. Yes, we can come back that. If we hit something better, we can come back. Fuck. Give us something crazy from the Decade CS. Decade CS, double golden coin on our side. Shit. We have 207 to play with. Let's go BCX, Decade and Framed. No, that's too expensive. Let's go for this. I'm gonna call bots because no one is probably gonna join. Come on. Give us something really nice. That would be perfect. Okay, no 5%. Maybe the next one. That's the last 5%er. Oh, fuck. %er. Nice, bro. Let's go Talon maybe? Or Huntsman or Gloves? Ah, shit. That's decent though, right? 209, we take it. It's fine. Come on, Decade CS. Hit for us. This shit right here. 2 1%ers. Will they hit is the question. Nothing hit. Fuck. What the fuck? We hit something. 135. Create a battle 2v2. 136. Let's go for this. It's 2 5%ers and 2 10%ers. Maybe it can save us today. Let's hope it can. I really wanna be saved by a 5%er now. Nope. So what about the 10%er? Big 10% hit, please. Come on. Shit. We won like 12 coins each. Let's fucking go. We're gonna do an all-in green now. Fuck. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.